Right now, we're seeing a noteworthy shift in immigration sentiment, with a sentiment score of plus 0.15 and a momentum of plus 0.41. This spike is particularly striking when you consider that it comes after a prolonged period of relative stability. The 20 semantic clusters reveal diverse opinions and emerging themes that you can harness for deeper insights. Our API returns rich, actionable data that allows you to analyze sentiment trends, uncover public opinions, and track changes over time. Imagine you're building a tool to assess public sentiment on immigration policies. This API can help you identify not just the current mood, but also how sentiments are evolving and what specific issues are driving conversations. Check out the full capabilities at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Dive into the data and start building your insights today.